To inspect and adjust the drive chain tension on your Outlaw 70, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Move the vehicle slightly forward to properly measure chain deflection. With the aid of an assistant, collapse the rear suspension by applying downward force to the rear bumper. This will position the rear axle and chain in the tightest configuration. Measure the slack in the middle of the drive chain and compare to specification. Do not press down on the chain with your hand. Instead, use a weight or deflection tool to check for proper tension. If adjustment is needed, safely lift the vehicle. Both rear tires must be off the ground. The tires can also be removed to gain additional clearance. Loosen the two axle bearing housing fasteners on the left side. Also loosen the two axle bearing housing fasteners on the right side. Loosen either the inner or outer eyelet screw jam nuts on each side of the vehicle. To tighten the chain tension slack, turn the outer jam nut clockwise until chain tension is set to specification. Repeat on the other side of the vehicle. Ensure both sides are adjusted evenly. Torque the outer jam nuts to specification. Torque the four axle bearing housing fasteners to specification. Lubricate the drive chain with Polaris chain spray lube or an approved chain lube. If removed, reinstall both rear tires and the lug nuts. Safely lower the vehicle. If required, torque the lug nuts to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.